Hey, welcome. So I just wanted to show you this little life hack slash trick you can do with some household objects to make waterproof fire starters. And all you're gonna need is a candle, something to light the candle, an egg carton. Obviously you don't want the eggs in it anymore, old egg carton, and your dryer lint. And so what you're gonna do, as you can see, I've already started it here, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill the little egg slots with your lint, and then you're gonna pour the wax over the lint, and you're gonna seal it in a coating of wax, which will make it I'm not gonna say waterproof because I don't want to like make a guarantee or something and get called out on that, but it's gonna be quite water resistant. And then you can and I'll demonstrate too. So I'm gonna light this candle. We're gonna let it burn for a while. Alright, so I've had it burning for a while. We're just gonna blow the candle out. And we're gonna pull out our egg carton. And we're gonna get a nice pour going. And you just keep on doing it like that. Make sure you get all of the lint coated. Oh, I missed this one, clearly. You don't want any dry, unwaxed lint to be exposed, because the trick is the lint is really what will fuel the fire and get it started. The carton burns well too, but it's okay if that gets a little damp, as long as the lint is not like wet with water. You'll be good. Okay, now that I've finished pouring out all the wax, you want to make sure that all of your lint has got a nice seal on it, and that it's firm to the touch and not soft, because that means it's not covered in wax. And as you can see, some of the wax is poured a little more thickly than others. That is just because I don't have any skill in pouring hot wax with consistency. But it'll do. It'll certainly do. If it's thicker, it's going to be a better seal. But that's really it. And now we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, so I'm down here at my workbench in my garage. Reverb's probably going to make this sound like garbage, but here we go. Next thing you're going to want to do is grab yourself a bladed tool. Kids, don't do this without help. We're going to ask an adult for help. Don't cut yourself and then sue me, please. I'm just going to cut these and get these out of the way first. Okay, so once you're done cutting those off, you're going to also cut off the lid. Set this off to the side, a little trash pile. And we're gonna go ahead and cut this tab and get it out of the way. There we go. You're gonna flip it over now, and you're gonna cut the little egg cup doodle things apart, basically. Oh wow. It's a good thing I don't care about this piece of furniture. Anyway. Don't let that happen. Let's see here. Okay. There we go. And you can, kind of refine them to make them look neater, if you so desire. Oh, my wax. Oh, the heater! Dang it, I got wax all over my knife. Alright, so you're basically you're gonna want to cut until you've got a bunch of ugly nuggets like this, and coincidentally that was my nickname in high school. No, I'm just kidding. Then you're gonna grab yourself a bag and you're gonna bag them up. And boom, you got yourself a bag of water-resistant fire starters. All you gotta do is, whenever you go camping or whatever, you throw one of these in your bag. Maybe in a Ziploc, like a single Ziploc bag itself, because the wax can kind of sometimes fall off. But basically what you'll do is you'll get this out, and you'll either break the wax open, or just if it didn't get wet at all, you can just light the egg carton part, and it'll light right up. Boom. Thanks for watching, everyone.